This tutorial for beginners. I never used Hugging Face before, and I was curious how one submit a project to K2FSA project, submit a model to K2FSA project. And I just went to this guy's folder on Hugging Face and wanted to show what we would need. So if you want to submit Libre speech model or any other model, you will have data folder and exp folder, and also one would want log folder, maybe decoding results log folder. So this is optional, but we must have data and exp folder. So inside the data folder we need language BP 500, and my project has few of them. So let me try go data this one, but you can change the this or that, 1000, 2000, 5000, but I think they're recommending 500. So we have that to submit, and you can find it in train.py which one you used. And next thing is we would need exp folder. Here's an exp folder, and you don't need all of this. This guy submitted all of this, but you only need one. I think this is my understanding. I never did this process myself yet, but you need a checkpoint, averaged checkpoint, which is prepared using export.py. So this folder, exp folder, should have .pt folder. So it's a checkpoint, our model's checkpoint, and this is averaged. So just for experiments, he averaged 14, 17, 18. He prepared this script using export.sh. He created export.sh file. We have export.py. And he created export.sh in his folder, and then he wrote this script. Is my training. I trained for 10 epochs. It says 40, but I stopped my process at 10. And we're gonna go to expm folder. So I said send my checkpoints to expm. Here's expm. So it keeps last 30 checkpoints, I think. By default, the program keeps last 30 checkpoints and then deletes the previous ones. And it was at epoch 10, and I stopped my process after 3 days, as I just want to learn this code. And so when I say, if I go here, if I go and write a script, I would write a script. Mine would be pruned transducer. So if you look, pruned transducer stateless 5. So mine will be stateless 5, export pi, exp directory. My exp directory is this one. Prune transducer stateless 5 expm. And the BP model, I have the same BP model. By default it uses it. Iteration will be this one, maybe 604K, and then I will use the last 5, let's say. So I did not do decoding yet, so you do the average, change these numbers, and try to find the best decoding results before you package this model. So I did not do decoding yet, so at this point I don't know. Will my model the best, maybe average last 2 checkpoints will give me the best results? That we have to find out during decoding process and experimenting with different values. Just explaining this before I'm gonna do that. And this one is, so let's say we have this, we made this exp folder, we packaged it, and we deploy it. We packaged it to exp folder. We're going to make exp folder and put that export sh output here. So he has more. Probably he was experimenting, but we need just one at the end. Decode prune 3 RNNST. Decode Oh, this is decoding file. I didn't do decoding yet. So this is how one would decode an experiment. This is his training file. This is how he trained the model. Yeah, this is mine and this is his. Thank you for listening. Ask questions, and I want you to know I'm the beginner and would like to learn things. If you find anything wrong, please leave a comment. I would like to know what I'm doing wrong. Thank you guys. Bye.